Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable quick add in Snapchat. So if you want to show in see me and find friends on Snapchat, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable quick add in Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app. On the Snapchat page, click on the profile icon on the top left. Then you'll be taken to your settings page. On the settings page, locate and click on the gear icon on the top right. Then scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you see privacy control. Under privacy control, locate and click on see me in find friends. Then you see find friends, help friends, find each other on Snapchat. You may appear in under Snapchatters quick add if you share mutual friends or another connection. So once it's enabled, you can now go back and hit the back button. That shows you've enabled quick add in Snapchat, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to enable quick add in Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.